Coffee mug warmer. KRGMNHR 18Watt Auto-Shutoff cup warmer for home office desk use. Electric beverage warmer heating plate for tea, water, cocoa, milk. 4 hours auto shut-off. Our coffee cup warmer has an auto shut-off after 4 hours, which your forgetful brain appreciates for the security. 2 temperature settings. This electric mug warmer with 2 temperature settings, you can touch the power button to keep or warm up your liquid temperature to 104-40 or 140-60%. Suitable for most cups with a flat glass surface design. This cup warmer plate is suitable for flat tableware, stainless steel cup, mug, milk box, glass cup and etc. We suggest using steel flat and thin bottom mug for the best performance rather than a deep concave bottom. Waterproof design. The beverage warmer is made of tempered glass and aluminum alloy without security concern for splashing or spilling water on the heating plate by accident and makes cleaning a breeze. Perfect gift choice. Super slim stylish design. Keep the beverages warm all day, making it a great gift for dad, mom, wife, husband and all your loved ones on birthdays, Thanksgiving, and Christmas and other special occasions to show you care. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.